How to download Left 4 Dead 2 on PC. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, you need to launch your Steam in your PC. In your Steam, make sure that you are logged in into your Steam account. You can easily find the verified Left 4 Dead 2 which you can easily download on your PC through Steam. At the top, you will see a search bar in which you can just go ahead and search for Left 4 Dead 2. So click on it. Now in here you may find various of edition of Left 4 Dead as well which you can purchase easily. In order to purchase, just scroll down in which you may find the editions of your Left 4 Dead 2. Just tap on Add to Cart to purchase further and select on View My Cart. Now to purchase, select on your Left 4 Dead 2 and head over with Continue with Payment, in which you need to select on a payment method. In the case of PayPal, you will have to log in into your PayPal account. In the case of any of the credit card or debit card, you need to enter the 16-digit credit card number, CVV and expiration date. By this way, you'll be able to download your Left 4 Dead 2 on your PC. Which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more.